Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to take you on Van Cleef Arpels boutique and check out some eye candies and possibly bring back home an item from them. I went there with my mother and we had fun trying on some available pieces in the store. Mommy is trying on the yellow gold pearly with diamond. What do you think of this bracelet? These are some white gold frivole. The ones with diamonds are the prettiest, don't you think? I'm trying on the frivole bracelet in white gold and yellow gold with diamond. I think it looks better when stacked like this. The bracelet that I'm trying on here is the 5 motif Alhambra bracelet with dark mother of pearl and diamonds in rose gold. This bracelet is stunning, you guys. It's a bit long on me, so we needed to adjust the length. But yeah, this definitely would be on my wish list. And unboxing is coming up. I present to you the mini frivole necklace with 1 diamond in yellow gold. I love the uniqueness and plus it comes with a diamond to add to the shininess. I chose the mini version because of the size. I love to wear dainty pieces. I can stack them to add more accessories on me, or when I'm feeling minimal, I can just wear it on its own. This is a travel pouch that it comes with. The receipt of the purchase is in this envelope. I'm not going to show you the content of the receipt as it has my address on it, but if you are interested, the price of this necklace is shared in the description below. This is the certificate of authenticity. Mini booklet with a cleaning cloth. I had to order this necklace in advance. I needed to wait for the item as it's not in stock in my country. What do you think of the Frivol collection? Share your thoughts and comment away. Hope you liked the quick shopping vlog. I tried to take as much videos as I can while in the store, but I was too excited with everything in there. Thank you for watching, and I hope you take care. Bye!